Welcome back to Osprey India. Happy New Year to all. May this year be full of joy and happiness. This is another vlog of travel videos. Keep watching and enjoy this. Thank you.
Got this voice inside my head, and it's telling me to stay instead of running back home. Well, I should just unpack my things and forget everyone I know. Who needs them anyway? Well, I've got everything I need right here. Why would I want anything more than what I've got here? Why would I need anything else? 'Cause I just met you and I don't care if I never leave. I just wanna stay right here and live out all of my days. Wanna sit on the porch with you, talking shit about kids these days. Well, it's so magical inside of my head. Distant echoes from my past say I'm doing it all again, falling hopelessly for something that'll never have. I guess it's coursing through my veins, this desire for these things, the fruit that's hanging from the tree that I know I'll never eat. Why would I